So something I've been doing lately is tracking my net worth, and I've been doing this on Google Sheets, just with the standard spreadsheet that I made. But I'm gonna start doing this every first of the month, which is just a good exercise to do for checking with your finances. And just to find out your net worth, you just want to go and look at all your assets, which would be all your checking, savings, uh, anything that you really have that could be considered an asset, all your real estate and everything, and just subtract all your liabilities. So any debt that you have, any credit cards, loans, anything like that, and just do a net worth. Just calculate your net worth using that, and basically the idea of the exercise is just to get kind of an idea of where you are at the start of every month, and you just want to be able to make progress and have a upwards trajectory on your net worth every month. So that's what I'm going to be doing the first of every month. um, right now credit cards are a big thing for me because I have been using those to purchase a lot of inventory to list on eBay. So right now we're just focusing on paying those off. So every payment I get on eBay is going to go right back into paying everything off. And I'm just going to be calculating net worth every single month just to see how the business is doing and how my net worth is improving. So just want to let you guys know a new thing that I'm going to be tracking every month. So there you go.